How much does it cost to repair an exhaust leak? Have you ever wondered how much it might set you back to fix an exhaust leak on your motorcycle? Understanding the costs involved can help you make informed decisions when it comes to motorcycle maintenance and repair. An exhaust leak is more than just a nuisance. It can affect your motorcycle's performance and safety. So, let's break down the costs associated with repairing an exhaust leak. First, let's talk about what an exhaust leak actually is. It occurs when there is a breach in the exhaust system. This allows exhaust gases to escape before they reach the tailpipe. Common culprits include damage, corrosion, or wear on parts like the exhaust pipe, muffler, or gaskets. Now, the cost to repair an exhaust leak can vary widely based on several factors. The severity of the leak is a major consideration. Minor leaks might be easily fixed with sealants or patches, costing around $30. However, if the leak is more severe, you may need to replace parts, which can drive the cost up significantly. Another factor is the type of motorcycle you have. Different models come with various exhaust system designs and materials, which can affect the repair costs. For example, a sport bike might have a different setup than a cruiser, leading to different pricing. Location also plays a role in the overall cost. If you live in an urban area, labor costs can be higher compared to rural locations. This means that the same repair could cost more in a city than in a smaller town. In general, repairing an exhaust leak can range from $30 for a simple fix to over $400 for more complex repairs or replacements. For motorcycles, the cost might be lower than for cars due to the smaller size and simpler design of motorcycle exhaust systems. To keep costs down, it's wise to identify and address exhaust leaks early. Regular inspections can help you catch issues before they escalate. If you are comfortable with do-it-yourself repairs, using exhaust sealants or patches can be a temporary solution. However, for more serious leaks or if you are unsure, it's best to consult a professional mechanic. This ensures the repair is done safely and effectively. Preventing exhaust leaks is key to maintaining your motorcycle. Regular checks for signs like unusual noises or fumes can help you avoid more costly repairs down the line. Maintaining your motorcycle's exhaust system not only improves performance but also reduces environmental impact. So, keep an eye on your exhaust system, and you can enjoy a smoother ride while saving money in the long run.